Hello friends, I'm Savannah and I'm taking out this video just to share a wonderful trick what I have utilized just to take care of my plants when I'm not with them. So you can just check this out. So what I have actually done. This was something, you can say a small science trick which I learned somewhere down my study time when I was a student in school. And now just check this. So what I've done, I've kept a big stool in between and I've surrounded my this particular stool which is having a bucket on the top filled with water, and all my pots are surrounding this stool. Now I took wool threads and tied them to a spoon or anything which can be kept at the bottom of this water filled bucket, right? And I tied each thread to that spoon and then to a particular stem or the plant. Now see, every wool thread is coming down to each plant, and this is really gonna work because I'm checking this because I'm leaving tomorrow, but I just to check it out. From last 2 days I'm not watering my plants, but they are still doing well. Now see, I'll just show you. So this wool thread is actually dripping water. Just check this out. So drip the whole day, 24/7 they are getting water. So you need not worry anymore what will happen to your plant, who will take care of them. I think this is the finest way. Without any other help, I can be like relaxed. I hope you have seen this. Just check this another time. There's a drip of water coming out of that wool. This I've just kept to let you understand that this is really gonna work, and your plants would not be drying up when you return from your vacation. So I hope people should do this because we are in need of plants, obviously, and we love them when we grow them with so much of love and care. Then when they are like not, when we come happily from our vacation, and then when we came to know okay, my plants are like dried, all of them are dried away, it really hurts. And this, like, everyone can understand this, whoever is like growing plants. It's so tough to take care of them every time, right? So I think this video would help you out, and I really want you should do that just to avoid drying of plants. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. I don't know if I have any other trick. Definitely I'm gonna share with you. Okay, so bye for now. Cheers. That's German word. Okay, bye.